Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? First of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have open the setting, then you have click on Wi-Fi. So then you have turn on and off from here. Then second option, so you have open the control center. So then you have uh, turn long press from here not connected. Then you have long press, then searching, then he is connected. So then reconnect, and first solution is not working. Their second solution, you have turn off aeroplane mode 3 or 4 times. So then open the setting and click on aeroplane mode is turn on off, turn on off, turn on off 3 to 4 times on your iPhone. If there are second solution is not working, their third solution, you have disable VPN. So then you have open the setting and click on general, scroll up, then you have click on VPN and device management. My iPhone is not connected, and then your mobile is connected, so then you have click on VPN, then is a configuration, then disconnect from their options. So then third solution is not working. Their fourth solution, you have restart your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, and then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. If there are the solution is not working, there other solution, you have forget the reconnect network. So then you have any network connected on a Wi-Fi, so then you have disconnect and then forget from your device, then reconnect on your iPhone, then your problem will be fixed. If there this solution is not working, there other solution, you have uh, reset network setting on iPhone. So then open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then you have to begin a passcode, then only reset network setting, and then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.